Why is everything becoming expensive?
Because goods are like concert seats.
What?
If a concert has 100 seats and 100 fans, everything is fine.
Makes sense.
Now imagine there are still 100 seats, but suddenly 200 fans.
People starts fight for seats.
Exactly. Now the price goes up.
So that is inflation? Just people fighting over stuff?
In a simplified way, yes. Too much money chasing too few goods.
Then just print money and everyone become rich.
Being rich and having more money are not the same thing.
What?
If everyone suddenly has more money, your 100 rupees might end up having the buying power of 10.
That sound bad.
Yep, that it is.
Then, why does government print money?
For economic stability and a lot of other reasons too.
Wait. What?
That's economics, bro, though everything is. It's connected.
How?
Interest rates,
How?
inflation,
How?
employment,
How?
global market.
How? How?
Your budget is exhausted.
What?
Remember that 100 rupee you paid me to answer your questions?
Yes.
Its value is now 0.
What?